Secondary DIY glazing have two sliding systems available, Trackglaze Horizontal and Trackglaze Vertical. These systems are designed for use with 4mm thickness glazing sheets and allow easy access to the original windows. Trackglaze Horizontal uses a shallow bottom double track and a deeper double track stuck around the window recess, as well as a bristle seal on the sheets to provide the desired insulation. Self-adhesive angle handles are fitted to help slide the sheets when required. Trackglaze Horizontal can be bought in 2m or 1m length kits as individuals or in packs of 3 kits. Due to the flexible nature of the plastic sheets, we recommend fitting with glass in any window over 1m in height, as the plastic sheet can bow under its own weight, creating a gap at the overlap. Trackglaze Vertical uses the same deeper double track and bristle seal and can be used in windows up to 2m in height and 1.2m wide. Clip-over handles are fitted on the top and bottom edge of both panes. The panes can be held in place with a stop strip on both sides which is then removed as required. The system is for use with 4mm plastic sheet only for safety reasons. For more detailed videos and information on how to measure up and fit these systems, please visit their individual product pages.